All right, on this video, we're gonna be smoking some spare ribs, but I'm gonna put a twist on it. During football, Super Bowl, a lot of chicken wings are gonna be served. So I thought, let's try to do a little mashup here. We're gonna smoke some spare ribs, and I'm gonna make a spicy cayenne vinegar mopping sauce. And that's all we're gonna do. And this mopping sauce is actually a Monroe County recipe that I found online. I was just digging around the interwebs and I came across this and I just thought, oh, this may be perfect. So let's see if this will work. So we got the star of our show right here. We got some St. Louis cut spare ribs. I went ahead and removed the membrane from the bottom. And since our mop sauce, our vinegar mop sauce is gonna have a kick to it. It's gonna be spicy. We're gonna use some Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue Rub. And this will give some sweetness, hopefully, to counteract some of the spice. So we're just gonna go ahead and give this a good coating. Make sure we get the back of these lightly. All right, I'm gonna let these hang out. I always like to let my pork ribs hang out and sweat a little bit. That'll help build a nice crust over this. Again, we're not gonna be adding any barbecue sauce. We're not gonna be wrapping. We're just gonna do a traditional cook. We're gonna be using the Lone Star offset smoker with some hickory wood in there. And we'll be mopping. All right, we got our Lone Star heated up. Get these spare ribs on. We're gonna be trying to hold 225, 250 throughout this cook. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this top rack out to give us some room to mop. All right, we'll give these about, I don't know, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, let everything set up. In the last 2 hours, 2.5 hours, we'll start mopping. While our spare ribs are out on the Lone Star, let's go ahead and make our mop sauce. I'm gonna start out with a whole stick of butter. This is unsalted butter. It's 8 ounces, or no, sorry, 8 tablespoons. All right, to that we're gonna add some hot sauce. This is Texas Pete, tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar. A tablespoon of cayenne pepper, tablespoon of salt, and 2 cups of white vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and let all that stuff combine. And we'll just keep this warm until we're ready to start mopping. That's it. Nice and simple. I'll have the ingredients in the description below. So we are at the 2 hour, maybe 2.5 hours. I kind of lost track of time. Our ribs are set up really nice. So now we're gonna take our spicy vinegar and we're just gonna start mopping every 15 minutes until the ribs are nice and tender. So we are done, I believe. I didn't get a lot of pullback from the bones, but you know, that's okay. It's not competition. Let's see. Good bend. Now I was mopping these, like I said, every 15 minutes on the nose. All right, so here we go. About 2.5 hours at 225, fluctuated, you know, close to 250 sometimes, but it stayed 225 for about 2 hours until that rub set. And then after that, we started mopping every 15 minutes for about I think it was about almost 2.5 hours. I basically just kept mopping until the mop sauce was gone. So hopefully we have some good vinegar spice to this. So let's go ahead and cut these up. So they look pretty good. They smell incredible. I really get that vinegar cayenne smell to it, but proof's in the pudding. Let's give this a try. All right, again, I was looking for an alternative to the usual buffalo wings. Now, don't get me wrong, buffalo wings will be served during Super Bowl, but I wanted to give a different vinegar kind of twang type meat besides chicken wings. So I thought making some buffalo-esque type spare ribs. Let's try it out. Wow. It's close to buffalo wings. I'm not saying it tastes like chicken, but it's got that cayenne kick, and it is warm around the lips. Vinegary, tender, smoky. I think these would work for Super Bowl. Definitely a thumbs up for this one. Remember guys, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys on the next round. Thanks for watching.